Are you tired of muck, algae, and weeds taking over your lake or pond? We've developed a new solution called BioHealthPod systems. These powerful and natural systems are installed in the water where they work 24/7, producing billions of beneficial bacteria and microbes that consume and digest muck on the bottom, as well as excessive nutrients in the water column. In this way, BioHealthPod systems are able to aggressively reduce muck, suppress algae growth, and reduce the effects that lead to invasive weeds. Give us a call and we will explain how it works and how we can help you restore your lake or pond.